This is Wafi. Wafi, like many others, is an entrepreneur trying to build a marketing campaign for his new company. But with so much information online and no real direction, he's feeling frustrated. What if there was a better way?
Hi, I'm Wafi, and today I'm going to be running through how Simbiont can help you build a campaign from ideation to execution. In this example, I'll be trying to build a chocolate brand from scratch. The first thing we're going to do is prompt Simbiont to flesh out our story from what we've shared with it and help come up with a name that makes sense. I'm liking Sunday's best, so I'm going to move forward with it and ask Simbiont to help build out our brand identity. Now we have some direction for the voice and aesthetic of this brand, so let's go ahead and generate some images for our product and some mockups for branding. It's looking like a solid concept of what our brand is, so let's move on to doing some research on how to position this brand in the market. We have a solid skeleton now of what our brand is and how to position it, so let's ask Simbiont to help us plan a launch campaign next. We'll be prompted with a form that sets parameters for scope, scale, and purpose. Once we fill that in, Simbiont will provide us with planning notes that break down each stage of execution into tasks to delegate to your respective teammates.
Simbiont is built using Next.js and TypeScript. It uses AI SDK and Gemini 3 to build the agent. Gemini 3 Pro is good at code generation, while Gemini 3 Flash is good at image understanding, so we use it to generate bounding boxes on the canvas, where Gemini 3 Pro fills in with images. The tools which we have are a mix of backend heavy and front-end heavy tools. We also have a couple of human-in-the-loop tools, and as I like to call it, front-end-in-the-loop tools, which are listing nodes and reading nodes, where the agent queries the state of the front end. We also have a couple Gemini tools like code execution and URL context. All of this runs within a controlled agent loop, where we enforce which tools are made available to the agent at each stage of the loop, and also adjusting the thinking levels accordingly. We also have a way of sharing the application state with the agent, where the selected nodes, selected images, thus drawings on the canvas are shared with the agent. Also the nearest nodes, so that the agent can come up with suggestions on which step to take next.